Hi, my name is Dina Burrell, and for those of you who do not know me, I am the Health Plan Options Team Lead here at URL Insurance Group. Last week, I started a series of videos that I would like to post on a weekly basis for the next couple of weeks that help review topics that I most frequently receive questions about from our broker partners. And I want to try to make things a little bit more self-sufficient for our broker partners and, save them some time. So today we're going to review the search engine option in Pennie's website and how to utilize that tool to save you time. You're, of course, always welcome to call me, but if you miss me and have to leave a voicemail and wait for me to get back to you, that is costing you time. So if you're able to go find the information on your own, that will be helpful to you to save you a little bit of time. So that is my goal. I'm going to go ahead and start sharing my screen with you so that you can see where I'm navigating to. So, for those of you who have access to our website and maybe you're already on our website, I just want to remind you that you can go in as an agent and go to departments, health plan options, and down to the Pennie resources page. There is a link to the Pennie home page within that resources page. So if you click on that, it'll quickly get you to the Pennie home page. Or you can open up a new tab of your browser and just go to pennie.com. From their homepage, you do not want to log in at this time. I just go straight to the search engine by clicking on search by the little magnifier glass here in the upper right corner, and the search engine opens up. And I'm going to click in that field and type in my desired topics, such as maybe what to include in income for a client, and hit search. And look at that. The results, the very first thing that comes up is the what to include in income page. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that since that was my goal to reach information about that today. And it tells you a little bit of background at the top of the page, and then it goes into what to include in the estimated income for a client. So you're going to review whatever information it is that you were looking for. Maybe let's say you're looking to see if they should include child support. I would just hit Control F on my keyboard and type in child support. Oh, sorry about that. Can't type today. And then if you can type in the correct words in the search, it takes you right to that section. And no, you wouldn't include child support and income. So let's say I want to search on a different topic. I can certainly just go right up to the search engine again in the right corner and type in whatever else I want to search for. But a nice feature about the Pennie pages when you're using the search engine is if you scroll all the way down to the page, whatever page it is that it took you to when you were searching, you will see that they will show you the recently viewed articles that you've gone to, and it will also show you some related articles to whatever topic you searched on. So maybe search or maybe scroll down to the bottom and check out related articles before you try a new search, because the next thing you're looking for could very well be in the related articles. And if it is, you can simply click on those words. So let's say we were looking for more information about the Magi. I can click in from the related articles and it's going to take me right to that page with that information. One more feature that I would like to point out on the Pennie search pages when you're using the search engine and it's taking you to the help topics, if you scroll all the way down to the bottom of any page that you end up in, there is a chat feature here that you can click on. And when you do, it opens up another page for a live chat option. The only required fields is your name and what is your question. But you can certainly enter your email address and phone number if you'd like, but enter your name for sure. And then you can select from some pre-populated questions. Or if you scroll down to the bottom of that section, you can click on Other, and then you can type in your question and hit submit. Within a few minutes, a Pennie broker support person will come on the live chat and you will be able to have a conversation via chat with the Pennie broker support person. It will tell you their name and then they can help you get the answers that you need. So those are just some features in Pennie's website that you can get to from our website that may save you time in your day-to-day life with helping Pennie clients. So I hope you find this tutorial helpful. And please feel free to give me a call anytime you have questions about Pennie or anything individual health related. My phone number is in the URL website pages at the bottom, but it is 717-216-8047. Thank you for listening and watching, and I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day.